Hey guys, had somebody ask about how to use Mesh Mixer to increase the indent on a model they pulled off of Thingiverse. So it's a Hearthstone model. Here we go, got it. So they want to make this indented even further. So quick way to do that is with the select tool. Give you a nice brush. Make that a little bit smaller maybe. We'll just highlight all the area that we want to indent. Now if it goes over some areas you don't want, you just hold shift and that's kind of like erasing the area. Take some it's a little finicky, but you'll get used to it. Basically we'll get this whole area colored in here. At least I think this is the part they want to indent. And if you're not familiar with Mesh Mixer, once you got it imported, you can right click to zoom around. You can hold your mouse button to kind of do a pan, so that you can move around your model so you can get the best angle to do the drawing you're trying to do, the coloring in. And everything that's orange is what we're selecting. So these are the surfaces that we're going to indent a little bit by selecting them. But again, I'm right clicking to rotate, and then I'm just normal clicking, kind of drawing away. And if I go over an area that I don't like, I can hold shift and it will shift and click will erase. It's kind of like just inverts the selecting until I've got it all. Looks like maybe I missed a little bit there. A little spot right there. And then you can use the brackets on the keyboard to make this larger or smaller. You can just grab this size slider because I got a little bit of a face right there. There we go. And go ahead and try to remove these individual little faces. It's selected by mistake here. Okay, once we've got it all selected, oh, still got a couple more there. One more, maybe two more. Alright, that looks good. You can then go to edit, and I believe it's under here somewhere. Extrude, D. So this is squeezing it out right now, but we don't want to do that. We want to push it back in, so we just extrude that down there. And that's giving us a deeper indent, and you can hit accept. And there you go. The geometry is not great, but it'll do the job, and it should slice okay. And then just export like you normally would. And that's all.